Mr. Tushar. Thanks for coming into the Times Realty presented by Havendaxa. Before we go further, I would like to have a small introduction from yourself for our viewers.
Hi, myself Tushar Mittal. I am founder of officebanao.com. It's a office, making workspaces easy by technology.
That sounds great. And what is the biggest challenge you have faced and overcome in this year's time period?
I think the building the team, because when you have the good team build businesses. Okay, so building a good team is the biggest challenge these days, and I think I'm lucky that I have good team members, good co-founders with me. But I think this is biggest challenge.
Yeah, I totally agree. The team is always to help you and to grow your business. And if I ask what makes you one thing which is you want to be stick and you do not whatever the thing it will happen, but no matter you will be stick on that.
My parents taught me that the customer is the god, and keeping God happy is like
that is very
the
true.
biggest thing. So I think that is a mindset and attitude which we have in our team, within our company, within our family DNA is like having the most customer satisfaction and the credibility. Credibility keeps me. It comes, includes with quality, includes with But I think when you are very very focused about credibility, rest everything is under that.
I totally agreed. The golden line is the customer is the god. Very true. And if I ask you, would you like to launch any of your project into as a fractional ownership? Being as a owner into the Havendaxa, I would really love to know about it.
No, so I would love to explore this, and then would love to see how it can work and how it can happen. But happy to explore that.
Thank you. Nice meeting. Thank you.